I want to welcome you back to another video, and we are going to jump directly into it. This is the Maschine Plus, basically the 3.4 version update for Maschine is now available on the Maschine Plus. And what I want to do is just go ahead and show you, first of all, how to update it. I know in previous videos, I think people got kind of lost in the sauce about how to update their machine, or maybe they didn't have licenses. And so I was just trying to kind of help people out there. But this video, I want to show you exactly how to do that. And then also, I want to show you some of the new sounds and effects that work inside of the Maschine Plus. And again, this is standalone, no type of computer required. As you can see, I didn't even have my audio cables plugged in, just the cord for the power, and that's it. So let's go ahead and dive directly into the video. I'm going to start off by hitting the settings, and then we are going to go over to the about section. And as you can see right here, it says that my machine is running version 3.4.0. The next thing I want to do is go over to where it says the system, and it's saying fetching updates, and when it's done scanning, it's going to say that it's up to date. There it goes there. It says your machine is up to date. What I want to do now is go over to the library section. And you can see right here, I have some play series. I have Discoteca drums, Discoteca keys. Scroll all the way up to the top, and you'll see I have 24K drums, 24K keys. And then as I keep continuing to scroll, you'll see some of the effects. I thought I saw one there. There we go, driver. And then we have duets there. We have, let's see what else. Ooh, Kontakt 8. Kontakt 8 is now available on the Maschine Plus. And again, guys, this is standalone. You have Kontakt Factory Selection 2. Continue to scroll here and see what other effects we have. We have the solid bus comp effects. We have dynamics, the effects, EQ. We have the supercharger GT and more. So that is how you update the Maschine Plus, as well as some of the effects. So what I want to do now, I can install some of these sounds. So let me go ahead and install these ones here. And it might take some time to do so. So I might come right back to you. But at any rate, I do want to talk a little bit about the SD card to run these play series as well. You're going to need a fast SD card. So I'm going to post the specs on the screen. You're going to need something such as a UHS 1 or U3, a native 1, class 10, V3A1. So definitely want a nice card that's going to be able to read these sample libraries and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and continue scrolling. I want to install some more while we're at it. Let's go ahead and do Kontakt, I believe 8. We're going to install that as well. And let's go ahead and install some of these effects here. These are some of my favorite effects. If you guys haven't checked out my video on these effects, please do so. I truly love using these effects. They're actually really good once you dive into them and learn how to use them. So we're going to install those effects, and then what I'm going to do is show you how you can use them inside the Maschine Plus. So we're going to let those install, and then we're going to be right back. All right, so we are back, and what I want to do now is go over to the browser and show you how I have these instruments here. So we have the projects, then we have the groups, and these are typically like the drums and stuff like that. And if we go over, we have the sounds, then we have the instruments, and I'm still working on installing some of the Kontakt library here. But as you can see, we have Kontakt 8, we have Massive, Monarch, Retro Machines. If we go over, we can see some of the effects that I have installed here now. Before we had access to Byte and some of the other plugins. Now we have access to Driver. And if I keep scrolling here, you'll see the solid bus series. So we have the solid bus compressor, the solid dynamics, and then the solid EQ, supercharger, actually both of them. And then this one's the GT there. And then we have the transient master. And then we can always load these on the sound slots as well. So say, for example, if you have maybe you want an instrument loaded up here, you can go to instrument and load some type of instrument here. So maybe you have, let's go ahead and load Kontakt 8. It should be installed. And again, I just have a normal SD card in here, but if you want to have it a little bit faster load times and you want to get the best of the best SD card that you could afford as far as the specs, again, I'm going to leave them in the description box below. So right now I have that there. If I want to go over, I can add an effect. So I just click my 40 encoder. We are going to go to, let's go to VST3 and we can load our effects here. So say, for example, if I want to have my solid EQ after, you can start to see my plugin chain there. And go over there, or I can just go from these arrows here. So either way, it works. And then if you want to go over to like another group, you can do that. And we can load up some more instruments here, maybe a play series, like the 24K drums. And we'll go ahead and load that up. And load it rather quickly there. And we can see that it's all there for us. So we have all our different macro controls. We can control things really fast using this setup here. So that's all I really wanted to show you today. It's been real. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. We out.